Okay, this is a quick how-to on how to print a object on the Ditto printer. First, you want to open your object in your 3D program. Click on the body you want to print and save it as an STL. Just about any 3D program is going to allow you to do that. I usually use the default settings when saving. Save it to a specific file where you can find it. And that's that. And we're going to close your 3D program, and now we're going to open up the Tinkerine software. Just double click on the icon. And once you get your software open, you go up to the top menu bar, and there's going to be the import. Just click on import and bring in your STL file. And when you bring it in, you can just click on any of the colored rings to orientate it. If you click down command, it'll click into right angles. Sometimes you have text or fine areas, you might want to revolve it around to make sure it's at the top rather than the bottom. You can zoom around, look around it with your mouse. Okay, so I just usually use the default settings. The density is medium, the infill is sparse, and the wall is 2. The only thing you might want to change is the supports. If there's an overhang, you're going to want to put in full supports, and otherwise they won't print. Then go up to the right, click on slice, and you can see it being built there. All the gray is the actual supports. And then if you go down to the bottom menu, you'll see that it actually gives you the time. It's going to be 6 hours. And that's the amount of grams of plastic used. And we got to go save for print. And now select the SD card, and that's it. It's actually saved to there. And now we're going to go to the Ditto printer. If you don't see a light on, you can go to the back right side and click on the switch. And we're going to get the SD card. There's a slot right in the front. We're going to gently slide it in and just push it until it stops. And then you're going to see the digital readout to the right of it. Basically, you can move it around by turning the knob. Once you push in the knob, you're actually selecting the actual file. So now the printer will start. It's best to hang around and wait till the printer heats up and then starts laying down a good layer of the PLA onto the plate bed. This is the time where the print may fail if it doesn't quite stick to the bed, and then you're going to have to start it and you're going to have to stop it and then restart the file if this does happen. So it's good to wait at least 15 or 20 minutes before leaving the printer alone. Okay, so after your print's down, the bed's going to lower down, and first you need to take off the clips. Just pull them straight off. So horizontally, just pull them straight out. And then carefully remove the glass bed. Do not try to remove the model yet. I'm going to take the bed over to the cutting mat. And then we're going to grab the tool that we have. There's a few on the Ditto machines. There's one there. So it's very sharp. Be careful that you don't have your fingers in front of it. I've cut myself before. And you just want to kind of pry it and work it along. Sometimes they pop up easy. Sometimes they have quite a bit of trouble. But just slowly pry it away. After you're done, sometimes the blue tape is going to be ripped. What you want to do is take all the tape off and then put new pieces down. Do not overlap the tape because it'll be at the wrong level if you do that. And put the clips back on, put the glass back on, and put the clips back on the machine, and you're done.